So this makes Greg look like a little bit heavy, which I think is kind of cool because even though he's pretty light, he's a wimpy kid, he sort of looks heavy. And that makes him look like a little bit tired, which I think is a nice look. If you look at the cover of Diary of a Wimpy Kid book, and Jasmine, maybe you can hold it up again, you can see that Greg, it looks like the backpack is kind of weighing him down, right? So I like that this light kid is trying to hoist to this backpack. All right, there we go. And that is Greg Heffley. I'm going to make his eyes a little bit bigger. And then here's what I'm going to do. When I was a sophomore in high school, I decided one day I want to be a famous cartoonist. So I came up with a fancy signature. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, Jasmine. Is that, believe it or not, that says Jeff. And then believe it or not, that says Kinney. So that's my fancy signature.
That is fancy.
You know what I'm going to do, Jasmine? I'm going to take a tiny bonus time for anybody that wanted to draw Manny. We'll do him real quick. Here's his head. So Manny has a long nose and then a long mouth that goes past his eye, right? He's got these two teeth that sort of hang down. He's got a straight neck, unlike Greg. His ear has a little detail that Greg's doesn't have. And then here's where he looks just like his older brother with his hair. So there is Manny.